So I wanted to come to y'all and give y'all some helpful tips on how to grow a YouTube channel in 2023. Because even though I just started this channel, I'm not new to YouTube and I'm not new to marketing. I'm not new to social media at all. I have been doing social media since 2010. Yeah, as a digital marketer. So I can say that yes, while social media has changed and things have changed and are continuing to change, there are some things that still remain the same and things that still work to this day from 2010. Okay, so let's get into it. The very first thing that I want to talk about as it pertains to being successful on YouTube is one thing you absolutely are going to have to do is post. If you are not posting on social media, if you're not posting on your YouTube, then how's YouTube even going to know that they should recommend your channel? How's YouTube even going to know that people should watch your content? One thing about YouTube is they want you to be successful. I know it seems crazy, right? Because it seems so hard to be successful on YouTube, but it's absolutely possible. But you have to start putting out content first for you to become successful on YouTube. Sounds crazy. Sounds like a no-brainer. But this is just truly exactly what it is. If you're not posting any content, then they don't know to recommend your channel. If you are not putting anything out there, then how do they know to connect you with the right people to be successful on YouTube? And you may be thinking, why would YouTube even want me to be successful? Because if you are successful, then YouTube is successful. The more money that you are able to make off of YouTube, then the more money they are able to make. You think all of these people on YouTube are bringing out all of this money from AdSense and YouTube ain't making no money? Honey, they making money. Ching, 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 okay? But you better know one thing for sure is that YouTube is getting paid too, baby. So you have to make sure that you start posting content like right now. Like as soon as you get off of this video, go post something, okay? It's time to get the ball rolling. There's no better time than now to start a YouTube channel. Yes, in 2023, you can still start a YouTube channel and be wildly successful. Yes, it's absolutely possible. Don't discount the fact that people are still starting YouTubes every single day and becoming wildly successful from YouTube. You could be one of those people. Don't shortchange yourself. Secondly, you have to be consistent. Once you start posting, baby, make sure that you have those posts coming, okay? Don't just put one post out and then completely leave the scene. You need to continue to post. YouTube is going to be able in the background figure out where they need to put you in the algorithm, who they need to show you to in the algorithm. If you keep posting, let's be clear, you could very well still be madly successful off of one video, but those people that come and follow you from that video or fall in love with you because of that video, they are going to want more content. So please, once you start a thing, don't leave. And if you post a video and you don't get any views, continue to post. Continue to post until you start getting those views, because I'm telling you, as you continue to post, people are going to begin to come. If you post 2 videos and you don't see no views, keep posting. Do you hear me? Consistently. Find a schedule that works for you. And you don't need to look at anybody else's schedule or think about anybody else's schedule. You need to think about what is feasible for you and what works best for your lifestyle and for your journey. And thirdly, most importantly, is be yourself. Don't come up here being somebody else unless that's really your content. Like you are being a character. You are putting a persona out there. Other than that, please be yourself wholeheartedly, because that's why people subscribe to you. That's why people follow you. It's because they fell in love with the person that they saw. Yeah, your content may be popping. Yes, you may give good tips, but ultimately, people buy into people. And if you aren't being yourself wholeheartedly, then they ain't gonna stick around too long after they've subscribed if you change up on them and become a completely different person. I can tell you that for sure. Fourth, listen, Pay attention to your analytics. In that YouTube studio, it gives you a lot of information about your channel, your people, what they liking, and so much more. Make sure that you are paying attention to that information and utilizing it to your benefit. Also, putting out content around those topics, those subjects, that age group, and things like that from your back office can really make your channel skyrocket. Okay, so that's what we want to do. We want to skyrocket. And the fifth thing, listen, ask for help if you need it. If you need help as far as an editor, a designer, or something of that nature, get the help you need. If that's what's holding you back, editing, designing, things like that for your YouTube to start, don't let that hold you back. Reach out for some help, okay? There are so many different things that you can go to for help. You can go to Facebook groups. You can go to Fiverr. It's all in the name. A lot of the services on there are $5, so super affordable. You can find people to edit your videos. You can find people to make you thumbnails and so much more. That is a service that I provide within my agency. So if you are also interested in getting intros, outros, thumbnails, graphics, anything of that nature, we definitely do that. You can email us fineafter30@gmail.com. We are trying to do big things in 2023, so make sure that you are following each and every one of these, and believe you me, you are going to go to the top when it comes to YouTube. So y'all, I have put out a YouTube starter kit. From these last 30 days of being on YouTube, I have learned some pivotal things about YouTube. So I've decided to put out a YouTube starter kit. Listen, and it's got some tea up in there to really skyrocket your YouTube. Then I also have some bonus information available. You can get sponsorships and partnerships, what posts work best on YouTube and get the most traction, all kind of tools that you can use to really take you to the next level. Oh yeah, also, and how I made $1,500 in my first 30 days on YouTube. What? $1,500 first 30 days on YouTube? Yes, baby, I did it. And obviously I'm not monetized because I've only been on here for 30 days and I only have this amount of followers and this amount of watch time. But baby, guess what? I still got me some coin from YouTube, and you can too. So make sure that you check out the link down in the description box below and go and get your YouTube starter kit today.